Hi there, I'm here to try this Makoto, I'm probably pronouncing that incorrectly, yum yum sauce. Here's what the bottle packaging looks like. I'll look see if I can find this online. If I can, I will put a link below. And if you've ever tried this yum yum sauce, let me know, did you like it? We're not familiar with it. I've heard of yum yum sauce. I think like I've heard of it on like a show or something maybe, but
never heard of it.
But I don't know anything about it. I don't know if it's spicy. I don't know if it's...
You're about to find out, aren't you?
Smells like Thousand Island dressing.
I was about to say it's a mayonnaise-based kind of dressing, it looks like, or cream.
Okay. Okay. It almost tastes like a very mild version of like a Chick-fil-A.
Let's see what ingredients it has in it.
Yeah, like a mild Chick-fil-A sauce.
Eggo, high fructose corn syrup, salt water, mustard seed, sugar, flavored vinegar, and that's with white vinegar, filtered water, and natural spices, tomato paste, so butter, garlic, salt, soybean, garlic powder.
Yeah.
So who knows what's in the seasoning? Like
it's not spicy at all. I actually like it. I think it'll make a good marinade. Here, you try. And that's what we're going to use it for, is a marinade rather than a dipping sauce.
Yeah,
it's mild.
It's literally Chick-fil-A sauce.
But milder. I kind of think that I want to put a little bit of Worcestershire in with it, just to give it a little bit of a kick.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would recommend this. Would I get it again? In the circumstances that we got this? Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. I would get this again. And like I said, I will be adding just a dash of Worcestershire to give it a little pop, a little excitement. If you've ever tried yum yum sauce, let me know down below what you thought of it. And don't get too crazy. Maybe a little more. There you go. All right.
Mix that sucker up.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. And yeah, like I said, if I can find it online, I'll link it below. But I'm curious to know what other people think of yum yum sauce. I think it's pretty damn good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
That's why they call it yum yum, because it is. It's pretty yum yum.
Or is it yum yum sauce, not the other? Yeah, see? What came first?
I don't know, but we've added some Worcestershire, and I figure we should go ahead and try it with you guys as well.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Is that it?
Hello, Flavor Town. Yes, ma'am. That made it better.
Oh, perfect.
That made it better.
Now it's the other one.
Okay, if you get yum yum sauce, get yourself some Worcestershire and add a little bit in there, because you won't be sorry. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this. If you like my shirt, go check out my link tree, because I have these for sale. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.